All right, I want to try one of these. So this is Mission Burgers doing that. And here you can see their social media sites, missionburgers.texas. And all right, I'm going to cheat here. I'm going to look at that menu there as this QR code. So I will be right back. All right, let's go order Mission Burger. There we go. Hi, can I get one Mission Burger? All right, I ordered it. Apparently, I got front of a big order here, which about 12 people can order one time. So it must be a very popular place. And what's kind of cool with them is that you can take their phone number and they will text you when it's ready. So, and that's a long time to be. It's about 10 minutes. So I'm just going to sit here and wait to get the burger. All right. All right, my burger is ready. I got the text message, and here we can see they texted me. It's ready, and let's go out and try this burger. All right, I am going to try the burger now. And here I got a Coke right here. And while you're at the show, you get little cool little souvenirs right here. So I'm gonna put my Coke in it. And oh, there's a business card in here. DT Companies. They are one of the best roofing companies here in Texas doing that. Bonus. So contact them, they're amazing. All right, so I'm gonna put my Coke in here. Like that. And I'm gonna open it. Try it. Yep, definitely tastes like Coke. Here we go. You look at here. It looks quite amazing. Doing that here. Doing that. So 2 smash burgers put it together. All right, here we go. Wow, that's one good burger. Oh wow, that's amazing. So if you ever see a Mission Burgers food truck, definitely try their burger. Totally worth it. Well, this was the Garden Home Show, and then the Mission Burger. Totally worth going to. If you ever go to a show, definitely try the local food trucks, especially here in Texas. Texas is known for the food trucks. I'm definitely gonna try this burger again. All right, see you guys later.